Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be tools that are on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. Also, all of these items that we go over today will be linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys are interested, there will be an individual link for each one of them. And then there will be two additional links that says tools and tools continued. That'll take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest. So that's all there for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this. And I really hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. So the first one we're looking at is the Wiha 26-in-1 Ultra Driver Set, 14 piece. I'm pretty picky when it comes to multi-bit screwdrivers, but this is one of them that I've considered in the past and I've heard good things about it. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I do like the bit storage. I think it's kind of unique. You know, a lot of brands have that carousel that pulls out. This one's kind of unique that the bits actually pop out so you're not fighting like getting at the bits. So I thought that was kind of a cool design. I like the blade design here. And then it's your, you know, kind of typical classic Wiha handle shape. There you can see the carousel a little bit better. The bits included with it. So you get slotted, Phillips, Torx, and hex. And they are double-sided bits. So if you guys have experience with this, please let me know down in the comments. Share your thoughts with other viewers as well. This has 4.3 stars, 194 ratings. It's down to $31.20 from a list price of basically $46. Next up, we're looking at the Sunex Tools 1/4-inch drive master impact socket set. I think I've mentioned the Sunex one a couple times. There's more and more brands coming out with 1/4-inch impact drive sets now. The last couple years, they've kind of become more and more popular. The Sunex set is a 48-piece set, both metric and SAE. The SAE is going to range from 3/16 to 9/16, and the metric is going to cover 4mm up to 15mm, which I think is fantastic coverage for 1/4-inch drive. You're getting that in both shallow and deep. They are chromoly. There you can see both metric and SAE, both shallow and deep. The radiused corners. I personally am one that uses a lot of 1/4-inch drive. So sets like this have become more essential for me in the last few years. And I picked up the Caprice set. This is another fantastic set. The original price on this is $95. It does have a coupon bringing it down to $85.50. So some good savings on there, especially for a 48-piece set. And this has 4.8 stars, 3,054 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the NWS long nose pliers. NWS does typically carry this more comfort grip style. It's pretty common on their pliers. They are German-made pliers. I have a lot of German-made tools, and as far as my experience, German tools are fantastic quality. I like this design. You have fine teeth up front, smooth jaw. Then you have a smaller open jaw with some pretty decent aggressive teeth. Then you have the large open jaw on one side with very large aggressive teeth, and I believe the other side is actually a cutter. But these do have 4.3 stars, 175 ratings, and it's at $29.37, not on sale. I think that's a very fair price. A lot of the German pliers, they kind of start around this price range. Even for the low 4 and 5-inch pairs of pliers out there, they all start around basically $30 and go up from there. So I think this is a really solid option. If you guys have experience with this brand or specific pliers from them, please let me know your guys' experiences down in the comments. Next up, we're looking at a product from Sunflag. I didn't even know about this brand up until about maybe 2 years ago. I came across their screwdrivers, which I thought was a really cool design. I love Japan-made tools, just like German tools. They are typically very high quality, very nice finish. Quality control is usually phenomenal, but I didn't even know, outside of the screwdriver sets that I found from Sunflag, I didn't know what else they really had, and I came across these the other day. They're clip removal tools. I personally use these basically on a daily basis with the work that I do, and having the right clip tool for the design of clip really can change your experience, because there are tons of different clip removal tools out there, plier designs, prying designs, and depending on the design of clip will depend on how effective that tool is with it. I've dealt with cheap clip removal tools like this design, but a cheap no name or just a cheap version of this tool. And they have really sharp edges along the blade, not the tip, but the blade. And when you're prying against stuff, there are certain brands like Lyle that will include like a grommet on the blade that helps for when you're prying against things. It doesn't leave any indentations or scratches or anything like that. But I really like this. Has a round blade or shaft on it, and the tips are actually pretty fine, which help you get beneath these clips. There's just a few different variations of the clips this is good for. There you can see they're different sizes, not just different lengths. It's kind of that acetate handle, kind of classic design. It has 5 stars, 12 ratings, so rated very highly, just not rated very much. Every once in a while you will see it drop to close to the $20 price, so it'll be a couple dollars off from here. But even at this full price, I still believe it's a good deal. Next up are the ever popular twin grip pliers. This is the 8-inch pair from Knipex. Absolutely love this. I have a lot of van pliers of different designs, but the twin grips are just a phenomenal set of pliers made in Germany. Not only is it really good quality, but just the design in general is fantastic. It's a slip joint pair of pliers, but I love this because it's locking positions, and it's just not 2 or 3 positions. You have 5 different positions that it can lock in, so you kind of get that Cobra adjustment, but with a more of a slip joint style pair of pliers. You got dual opposing teeth up front with the jaw. Nice aggressive teeth too. You have this hole here where you can either use for bending or twisting wire, or when you're working with clamps, when you got to pinch them, they typically line up in that groove pretty dang well. So that's kind of a multi-use. I guess you can't see it. There you go. Right over there on the left. That little hole right there. And then it just has the additional feature of screw extraction. And I don't know how many times screw extraction pliers have actually saved me since I got a pair many years ago. Just overall a fantastic set of pliers. And this 8-inch pair, they do have it available, I believe, in 3 different sizes. This 8-inch pair is at $31.50, down from a typical price of $36. Next up, we have another pry tool set. This one is plastic prying tools. Now, for some people, these are not going to be useful at all if you don't do any sort of trim removal or, panel removal. But if you do, having a good set of these can make life so much easier. A lot of these cheap sets, it'll be like a 50-piece set that includes all this extra unnecessary stuff, but they're super cheap, $10 for like a huge set. And all of the plastic trim tools, a lot of these sets, they're just so brittle. They just end up snapping, and there's no reinforcement to them. It's kind of hard finding quality ones online because you never really know what you're going to get until you receive it. And this is the Bojo tools. These are made in the USA, and they have multiple different sets as well. And while they are a little bit more pricey than some of these other China sets, I believe the prying tools themselves are going to be a much better plastic prying tool than some of these other sets. There you actually get the dimensions and everything of it, and these are the medium duty. I just wanted to mention this one because while it's a little bit more expensive than the other sets, it's still a good price, and you're getting a product made in the USA. This has 4.9 stars, 22 ratings at $26.75. Next up, we're looking at one that I haven't mentioned before, and that is the Hazet screwdriver set. They do have multiple different design screwdriver sets. As far as I can tell, I think my research in the past, I thought a lot of this brand's products weren't actually made in Germany. Asking down below, it does state that they are made in Germany. I don't know if that's 100% true or not. If you guys have experience with this screwdriver set, please let me know down in the comments. But like I said, they have multiple different designs. The one we're looking at here is probably my favorite design. It looks like they have a striking cap version of it as well. You do have the hex base on these, on this set down here on the striking. The one we're looking at now does not, but I do like that handle design. Unfortunately, 90% of these pictures are like not real. I don't know how else to explain, like photoshopped. I do like this screwdriver set. The handle itself looks very grippy. It's kind of a multi-sided design. It's hard to see in the pictures, but there are a lot of different sides to it. dual material. Like I said, no hex base on these. Dual coated tips. You got 4 slotted and 2 Phillips. There's just a little bit of information on that if you'd like to pause and read that. But this product does have 4.7 stars with 7,362 ratings. Now, that is a combined review for all of these products from them. So just keep that in mind. But still rated very highly and rated a lot. Then the last one I want to mention today is just some good old 3M double-sided tape. You can get this in various different thicknesses, lengths, widths, and just having some. I always keep a couple different rolls on hand. You will find uses for this in so many different scenarios, whether you're a weekend warrior, DIYer, or professional. Having this stuff around is extremely handy. So it's very affordable. This specific roll is $8 down from $10, but you can also get, there's a little bit thicker stuff. I actually just picked up that roll. I usually keep a roll of the 1/2 inch and 1 inch on hand. As soon as I got it many years ago, I realized how handy it is, and I've constantly just kept stocked up on it. There are a lot of other brands out there, as you can see here, that sell similar products. I can't say as far as that. I always get the 3M VHB, and it's always worked exactly how I wanted it to. Now it will be sold by many different places, so just keep that in mind. But definitely some good stuff to keep around, whether you're a weekend warrior, DIYer, or a professional. This has 4.6 stars, 760 ratings. That's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. All of these will be linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.